Yeah, good afternoon and welcome back. Yeah, I got a few errands done today. So, sent my payment to the storage place. Not affected today, so they should probably get it sometime next week. Because I'm remembering Monday's a holiday, so they're closed Monday, so better do it today. So I hopped over across the street, got myself a minutes card. I gotta get out of my wallet for my phone. I went over to the food store, picked up a couple things. One of which is a hockey ticket for the next home game on the 25th. Yeah, once they're back from BC. And they start in Prince George tomorrow. For some reason I thought it was tonight, but it's tomorrow. So there we go. Oh, did I? No, I did not feel that. Okay, anyways. Ice hockey at the 1980 Olympics are done. I mentioned I just played the U.S.-Finland game and the U.S. won. After Golden Soviet Union ends up with the silver because they beat Sweden, who ends up taking the bronze anyways. That's done. Next one will be 1984 in Sarajevo. That's right, Sarajevo hosted the 1984 Winter Olympics. Now, while we're on the subject of hockey, Game 3. Now the quarterfinals, which had Philadelphia over the Rangers. They're up 3-0. Buffalo over Chicago. They're also up 3-0. Montreal got off the schneid and beat Minnesota. Now the Minnesota is still up 2-1. And the Islanders over Boston. Islanders up 3-0. So there we go. By the way, the Raiders' home game on the 25th is against the Seattle Thunderbirds. Yeah, I missed out on the game versus Spokane 2 nights ago. So there. After today, I want to see Medicine Hat, Portland, Wenatchee. So yes. Oh yeah, I did read the clue. Duh. Yeah, so it's 12 degrees out there. I just was outside there a few minutes ago. It's clouded up a little bit. Still not so bad though, which is okay. Yeah, considering what Florida went through. Grateful to be in a country when during the winter the cold air hurts my face. Yeah, going through a hurricane does not sound like fun. So there we go. So yeah. Let's see. What was today's questions? Like favorite something. Favorite wings. Today's question of the day is favorite wings. Oh, I mentioned that this morning. Duh. God, I got a short memory today. I don't know why. Tired. Cause I had to turn on my alarm to get up so I can actually get to the. My blood works this morning is like, if I hadn't turned on my alarm clock, I would have slept till 11 and absolutely missed it. Yeah, that would have been disastrous, wouldn't it? That would have been disastrous. Yeah. So, let me see. I don't know what else I can add right now. Yeah, I think tomorrow I might do a little more running around. Saturday running around, seeing as I'm off tomorrow, after I'm done my laundry. I get that out of the way, then I could just fart around. At least I don't have to cross the street today. like I did today. Oh, I just remember, look at my pencil gun. It was like, oh, I just did the British Indian Ocean Territory. Somewhere in the middle of the Indian Ocean, I take it, and obviously British territory. What they had is I got British Virgin Islands, Brunei's in there. Yeah. I had five more flags that start with B to do. Brunei and British Virgin Islands, or I mentioned, are two of them. I already got Brazil. So. Now, today's episode of The Dukes of Hazzard had Waylon Jennings. Yeah, the balladeer. Made an appearance on the show. Second episode of season 7. I think that was the only time he was in front of the camera in that series. Kelly Yarbrough made a couple of appearances on that show. I think 2 or 3. So, yeah. Yeah, so I think I'm crapping out, so in the meantime and in between time, stay tuned for the next one.